Now I want to pick up where we left off so that the videos are broken apart and shorter and to the point. And now looking at adding an image to the page, there's something that we need to do because we need to be able to access that image. So here in my folder where I have these files, so that I can show how the relative URLs work, if you have something in a folder, I'm going to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it images. And then inside of that folder, I'm going to put an image that I want to use. This happens to be an image of me. Now, I still have all of this in the same directory. I'm just going to need to do a little bit more when I add this image in. So here on my contact, I'm going to put my image there using the img image tag. And then to tell it where to find that image, I need to use src equals, and then inside of these quotes, I need to tell it where that image is, if it's a full URL because that image is out there somewhere on the internet, or if that image is local somewhere within my file structure, which this one is, I can tell it, so images slash, because I need it to look in this images folder, and then put my file name, so write_a.jpg, so that it knows to look in this images folder for the write_a.jpg file. Now when you are adding images, you should always use the alt attribute, alt equals, and then something descriptive inside of that so that somebody is aware of what that image is. And you don't need to put image of, because it'll already be obvious that it was an image, whether somebody is using a screen reader or the image just didn't load for whatever reason and that's getting displayed. So this will let them know what information they might have been missing, or even that, the image was just decorative, don't worry about it. So here I'm just going to put in my name so that anybody accessing this would know that that image was an image of me. And then slash and my closing bracket. And like we had looked at before, I didn't get a closing HTML tag written for me, even though I have that autocomplete set up, because the img tag is a self-closing tag. Just like the BR and HR for a line break and a horizontal rule, those are already set up. So now that I have this set, I'm going to take off this images real quick so that we can look at what happens when we don't have that image correct. So when I reload my page, I go to contact me, I can see I have a little broken image icon and then my name here because of that alt text that I added in. So now I know that something's wrong. Oh yeah, I need to add in this images slash so that it can find this. So now I save this, and when I refresh my page, I can see it is pulling that image in.